welcome my YouTube family. I hope you all are fine and enjoying good health. I'm your host Palasha Shahazeb and I'm back with my new video. Today's video is about a difference between my and mine, and this is not that difficult as you are thinking it to be. So let's move on to the video to learn the 4 conditions through which you have to clarify your mind with the difference of my and mine. So let's get going. Okay, Ji, so let's start the video. Here I'm going to tell the very first difference, and that is that my comes before something. For example, my bag, my school, my chair. So my comes before something, right? Before any word. But mine comes after any word because it both are showing the ownership, but my is incomplete without a word and mine is already a complete word in itself. Now let me give you some more examples to show you the clear difference about it. The first example is this is my bag. Another example of mine is this bag is mine. The meaning of both the sentences is equally the same, but here my comes before bag and in the next sentence mine comes at the end. Okay, so if in the first sentence you are going to remove my, then it will be this is bag. Will it be an appropriate sentence? No. But whereas in the second sentence you are going to remove this bag is mine and here you are going to remove bag. So the sentence will be this is mine. Mine itself is an appropriate and complete word and it completes the sentence. So let's move on to the next category or the next condition, how to learn this difference between my and mine. So the second category or the second condition which you call it is, for example, I'm going to give you some examples to make you learn this concept, in a proper clear manner. The first example is your pen is red. Mine is black. Mine means my pen. Instead of my pen, I have used mine as a contraction. It looks good when you are using mine because it makes the sentence shorter and it looks more impressive. Your pen is red, mine is black, right? And in the next example, it is your shirt is dirty, mine is clean. So here you're going to clear yourself something which is already being discussed or showing the possession. Here we have to use mine. Now move on to the third condition, which is also very easy and I'm sure you're going to love learning that. My dear friends, so the third condition is when you are answering someone's questions. So the first example in it is, whose book is this? That's mine. That's is a short form of that is, and mine is a short form of my book. So that's mine looks cool when we say, instead of saying that is my book, that looks so long. So you can say whose book is this? That's mine. Somebody in the classroom says that whose book is this? That's mine. So here you can use this word mine and it's already giving you a complete sense and thought. Now, the second example is in the question form when you are answering someone's question. Is it your plate? Yes, that's mine. Or yes, that is mine. Right? So here you can use this sentences in this way. I hope you have learned the third category clearly. Alright, my friends, so the fourth and the last category of this difference between my and mine, I'm going to tell you is negative. The negative condition when anybody asks you the question and it should be in the negative form, then you're going to use mine. Is that your camera? No, that's not mine. Is that your chair? No, that is mine. Or else no, that's not mine. So when you are using my, that looks quite simple. That is, this is my book, that is my camera. It is making the sentence very outdated. So instead, I would recommend you to use mine because it is used in a contracted form and it looks more impressive when you are using it in a sentence. So I hope you have liked today's video and the concept of my and mind is absolutely clear to you, and I have cleared it. So you have to just hit the subscribe button and like my video. And if you want others to learn this concept, I want you to please share it with your family members. Thank you so much. Take care. We'll meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.